Well, I'm out in the Willamette National Forest. I'm sorry, I'm getting so excited. I keep running into some waterfalls that are almost seasonal, but this one here is flowing pretty good. Have to go up through some heavy brush in order to get to this point. So I'll try to zoom in. Picture-wise, it's taking it and it's just not turning out the way the sun's hitting and everything else. So I'm gonna turn around and show you where I'm at. This one I can't wait for next spring. It's got a cascade. I'm down in the valley itself. This one's going to be huge. I got spiders all over me. And with that branch up there, we can't see the top, so it's a lot further than what it seems. To our next adventure. Have a good one.